Good evening to everyone present on the call. I'm your Prathamesh Gangude and I'll be representing Team Brilliant, which is on the Volpro protein bar. So first, let me introduce to you the very novel, unique, and only one of its kind Volpro protein bar that exists in the Indian market, which is not just another Me Too protein bar in the market, which has an added advantage of a herbal blend and the only protein bar that has dual protein formulation, that is plant protein as well as whey protein. Moving ahead. Let me tell you why there is a need and opportunity for us to exist, for whom we do and how we do it. So as you can see, the daily protein intake that is required for by men and women, and the daily protein they consume is roughly 40% short. Apart from that, India is ranked third largest in terms of obesity. So speaking about obesity, this leads to various chronic diseases such as diabetes and cardiovascular diseases, wherein India is number one in the India has become the disease capital of such worlds. India has a larger pool of pre-diabetics, then diabetics, as well as pre-hypertensives, then hypertensives, and all these are leading towards diseases. We at Volsante believe that when your nutrition and food is right, there is no need of medicine. And when your nutrition and food is right, there is no need of medicine. So another nutrition related risk factor is that these nutrition related factors account for more than 40% of the deaths. They'll scrape off India's 1% of the GDP, that is 47,000 crores, and are accountable for more than 30% of the disease burden. Next slide. So our product Volpro bar is not just another Me Too bar, and we hope to target it to three categories of people. First is the undernourished urban class, which compromises of the urban population, the corporate employees that work in the tall glass buildings and who have a very malnourished nutrition and not a malnourished nutrition, meaning they consume food, but that food isn't that nutritious. So, and another would be the college going students who often skip meals and are lack in nutrition. Next segment would be the health conscious Indian who work out. According to our primary research, we found out that a lot of the population from the sample worked out for more than 3 times a day. The borderline disease class, as I mentioned earlier, India has more number of pre-hypertensives and pre-diabetics. Roughly around 80 million pre-diabetics and 200 million pre-hypertensive patients lie alone in India. Moving ahead. Show me your slide is stuck. Yeah, thank you. So let's talk about figures, wherein the nutraceutical market in India stands at $10 billion, wherein the dietary supplement markets accommodates 3 billion of it, and the protein bar market in India stands around $10 million. Speaking about the target and the customers, India has an undernourished population of 190 million and a private sector employees of 160 million. If we account for more than 60% of the private sector employees, they are undernourished, they skip meals, they do not consume nutritious food and are burdened by stress and anxiety. So that brings us to around 110 million customers. Next. So what we offer to our customers is a product Volpro protein bar, which helps our customers to raise the bar through its unique formula, a herbal blend, and a dual protein source. This will help our customer overcome the hurdles and challenges with the help of the herbal ingredients as well as the dual protein and reach their targets. It is time for our customers to move up from the typical protein bar and raise the bar with the product Volpro protein bar. Next. So what would be a strategic approach? A strategic approach would be to incorporate healthcare professionals, since many people consult their healthcare professionals, let's say dietitians or nutritionists, before planning up a diet for them. That would be a major target for us. Corporate professionals, like I said, they're undernourished and they usually lack in the nutrition that they consume in the meals. That could be a major target for us. Fitness enthusiasts, like I said, people work out 3 to 4 times a day. And from our research, we found out that 50% of the population isn't even aware about their daily protein requirement, and among them 40% are those who usually daily work out. So, our approach would be a physical plus digital approach, which we have termed it as digital approach, wherein we'll partner across digital channels as well have a physical presence on the modern day trade. Next. Our channels as such would be prescription channel, that is the RX channel, consumer, that is the CX channel, and the DX channel. Across prescription channels, would be having dietitians and nutritionists. Across the consumer channels, we have our partners as Nature's Basket, Wellness Forever, Namdhari's Fresh. Across digital channels, we are present across Tata, 1mg, Healthcart, and Amazon. Next. So through this campaign, I'll try to depict you a story about a guy whose name is Akhil. He works at a big corporate office somewhere in Andheri, and he's usually late to his office. One certain morning, Akhil wants to go to his office, but as usually is late. His wife prepares him a breakfast for him, but he usually skips that. That causes him stress. That causes him to be angry. He has mood swings. Somehow, Akhil reaches his office. On reaching his office, he found that it is the appraisal week going on. So Raj sits down with his boss, have a talk with him. His boss suggests that Akhil, you did not raise the bar enough during this quarter. So his appraisal was bad. Raj, on hearing that, Raj was very sad and disheartened. He somehow digested the fact that he could not raise the bar. Raj then goes on to his home, watches an Olympic. Since it's the Olympic season, he logs on to his TV with his family. He sits on the couch and watches a pole vault game, wherein he watches the athlete jump with the pole vault, and he raises the bar. Raj asks to himself, what can I do to raise the bar? Wherein he lands upon social media of a product that is Bulletproof Protein Bar, which suggests him that he could raise his bar in life with our product. Raj purchases a protein bar, and then ultimately he raises the bar in his life. Moving ahead. So we, Team Valiant, believe that in the world of Me Too bars, we raise the bar with our holistic herbal health bar with the power of dual protein. Thank you so much.